Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my catch-all planner, and it is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. It is for the week of January 24th through the 30th, and I am using stickers that I created from Etsy Images, and here we go. So I am going to be using this like kind of cozy at home type of thing. It is winter. I enjoy staying at home when there's a lot of snow outside, and that's the case this week. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, first and foremost, I'm going to put this plant down. Huge one. And while I do that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me and come back to my channel. And if you are brand new, welcome. I really hope you like it here. I do quite a few spreads every single week, and it's a lot of fun for me. I hope you guys join me on this journey. So I'm going to use this really cozy kind of image with her sitting on the floor, couch behind her, little chair. It's almost like a whole living room set, and I really like it. So I am adding this to the bottom of that page like so. I think it looks so beautiful. Yep, I really like it. And then I'm gonna keep adding elements. Also, I am hosting a giveaway this week, so if you haven't checked out my video for a giveaway, please do so. There's quite a few sticker books and some planners, journals, and so on. I really hope that you will join the fun. I'm gonna go ahead and add this lovely girl that's just sitting on her laptop like I do when I edit these videos, and then let's see what else. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add this, which is a background image, but I'm gonna treat it almost like a rug type of thing, and then add this image on top. I think it's super cozy. Yep, I think that looks pretty great. Well, let me know if you guys enjoy watching images from Etsy, or do you want to see more of what I used to do with the Happy Planner and other sticker books that are a little bit more easily accessible. Because with this, you do have to have a printer and either sit and cut these out, or you would have to have a Cricut to cut them out like I do. But I do enjoy kind of having unique spreads and different than everybody else, and being able to make my own kind of unique motifs as well. So I'm gonna use Mojo Jojo, the neutral boxes. I've been using those a lot. I'm gonna use these light gray ones that match the couch and the shade on the lamp and the blanket to kind of bring in that soft gray color. And that's where I'm going to be writing most of my plans this week. But I'm gonna go ahead and lift this furniture piece up just a tiny bit so I can place the sticker down like so, and then curl that back down to be on top of the box like this. So those images are called Happy at Home, and I really enjoy the vibe of them. It's very much like my new home. All the colors are kind of gray and neutral and really beautiful. So I couldn't pass up these images once I saw them. And of course, I am obsessed with plants. So if you didn't already know that, now you do. I have quite a few at home, and I am becoming quite good at taking care of them. I finally have a couple orchids that have rebloomed, and I don't know if it's the like the lighting in this house, because we have so many windows. That's kind of what drew me to this house, is the amount of huge windows we have makes me so happy, or if it's just a change of scenery. But all of my plants are doing quite well, so I am super excited about it. And like I said, this cozy vibe of a home makes me just so happy looking at it, and I am really happy in our new home. So it's kind of where I thrive, I think. So I'm just adding a whole bunch of boxes for this week. I'm gonna try to write everything that I need in them, and if I need space, I will write around like always. So let's see how that works out. But I do enjoy kind of playing with layering them like this, because it is quite different, right? Okay, so adding a few more. It looks like Matrix in here right now with all of the boxes, but I think once I write in there, it's going to have a completely different effect. And I'm gonna add a few more plants because that's what makes me super happy. I love having plants and florals in my planner. I think that's kind of my thing and my style, and I know everybody is so different, but that's kind of how I use my planners, and I really enjoy them. So I'm gonna go ahead and find one more plant that I can add to Wednesday. I'm gonna also add these vases of eucalyptus, which I really enjoy. And we're almost done with this Plan With Me. I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful plant as well. I think that looks quite gorgeous, and it brings in everything together. And then I'm gonna add a few more boxes to Tuesday. Home Sweet Home. It's very faint, but it just fits right in there, which is amazing. I printed quite a few pages, as you can see, of this, so you might be able to see a few more Plan With Me's using this. I'm gonna add a pillow that says stay home, and then let's see, a few more boxes and I think I'll be done. So I'll add one to Tuesday and layer it like so, and then add one to Saturday maybe, and I think that'll be it. Okay, so almost done. That's the last spread. I hope you got the last sticker. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, and I can't wait to see you guys for another Plan With Me. I hope everyone has a great and safe week, and stay warm. Bye!